Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. In the past, I've previously made a lot of leather jacket unboxing from a wide range of different companies, unboxing them, letting you know what I think about the quality and whether or not they're worth it at the price point for each of those brands. Today we'll be doing another leather jacket unboxing from a brand we've previously never talked about called FiveStar Leather. At first glance, why FiveStar Leather really caught my eye was the wide range of leather jackets that they have to offer. They mainly make reproductions of classic vintage flight jackets, and for me, I love flight jackets, especially since I'm a pilot. And second reason why they really caught my eye was the great price that they made these jackets in. And now we're gonna unbox them and see whether the quality is on par and how great it really is, whether or not the jackets from FiveStar Leather is worth it or not. Today we'll be unboxing an A2 Dubow flight jacket. I personally love the A2 and we're gonna see whether or not it is worth it or not. Before we unbox it, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down and smashed the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it and it helped me a ton. Now let's go ahead and unbox it. All right. So like I said, FiveStar Leather definitely makes a wide range of jackets. They have a lot of styles just within the A2 or the G1 style of jackets. They have a ton. So we're gonna see whether or not the quality is good because the price is insane. It's insane to get leather jackets, especially reproductions of the classic World War II jackets for under 500 bucks or so. So good reproductions, such as jackets from Cockpit USA or Shot have jackets selling for $500 or so. However, from FiveStar Leather, they make jackets from $150 to $200. So it's around half the price. Done cutting out all the tapes and stuff. Let me give you guys a first look as always. A2 Dubow reproduction of the classic World War II. Upon first opening it, you get this handwritten envelope. What does it say? Open with a smile. Oh, I'm definitely smiling right now. Let's see what it says inside. I love the attention to detail. Right away, just unboxing this, you can see they really care about their customer service, paying attention to detail, writing this note. Wow. Alright, thank you for shopping with FiveStar Leather. We hope you would love this jacket. This jacket is made of the same standard and quality used in the World War II US Air Force pilots reproduction of the A2 JA Dubow contract. So if you guys don't know, the A2 leather jacket has a lot of different contracts. What that means is the A2, the main style is the same, but there are a lot of small details that are different, varying from different contracts. So you have the A2 Perry, the Bronco, and this is gonna be the Dubow that I'll be unboxing and looking, all right? They have this nice note. I'm not gonna be reading the whole thing, but it's nice. You can see that it's even hand signed down here. So upon unboxing, it's just nice, you know, paying attention to small details, really caring. You know, they have that nice touch. Ooh. And it comes in a bag like this, nice and protected for when they ship it, no creasing. And when you're not wearing the jacket, you have this nice bag you can store your jacket in. Let's go ahead and open it, see what it's like. Oh, you guys ready for the first look? Let's go ahead, I'm excited. Nicely packaged, look at that. Oh, I got this paper protecting it. Whoa. Look at this beauty. Ooh, nice and smooth. Love the sharp collars on these Dubow. Like I said, there's a lot of different contracts, just means a lot of different styles of the A2 leather jacket. The main style is gonna be the same, but a lot of smaller details varies between contract and contract. So with the Dubow on this A2 has nice and sharp collars like that. Looks really nice. Love the pockets over here. Let's go ahead and zip it and try it on, okay? Zippers definitely feel nice, smooth, easy to unzip. You got this collar snap on top. give you guys a quick look on the inside. What do you guys think about it? How does it look? I think it looks pretty nice. Pretty nice. So this A2 Dubow leather jacket is made with 100% goat skin vegetable tan leather with talon zippers. I love that also on the zippers they have a nice leather pull tab. It's just the small details that I really like. Comes with this tag that just says FiveStar leather on the back. It just says description, color, style, and size. Let's go ahead and put this on and see how it fits on my body with the sizing as well. I got a size large. I'm a 5'8", 180 pounds. So, and pretty athletic build, I would say. But let's go ahead and see how it fits. You guys ready? Ooh. What do you guys think? Upon first putting it on, it's nice and snug. Gotta say, the leather feels really good, but it's a little bit stiff. I wonder if that's just because it's the first time wearing it. Leather jackets are usually like that. Upon first wearing it, it's a little stiff, but over time, the leather molds to your body. So I'll definitely be doing an update video in 3 months or 6 months, letting you guys know what I think about this jacket, whether or not it's worth it or not. But upon first wearing it, I definitely really like this style. I'm a big sucker for all the military, classic, vintage leather jackets, such as the G1, the A2, and I'm really psyched about this A2 Dubow leather jacket. Are there internal pockets? No internal pockets, but they got this nice outer pocket that's button snapped. Really nice. And I also really like that these collars are button snapped. Wear it like this or even popped up collar. What do you guys think? Pretty cool. So sizing is definitely nice. Like I said, I got the large size and I'm 5'8", 180 pounds, athletic build. So if you're around my weight and my height, I would suggest getting a large. It's always better, in my opinion, to go up a little bit bigger. It's much better to get a jacket that's a little bit bigger than too small, because if it's too small and too tight, you won't be able to wear it, you know? Moving around, crossing your arms can be really tight around the joints, the shoulders, and the back. But for this jacket, first wearing it, I'm gonna say, not bad. But I'm gonna, of course, do more testing, wear it out on a day-to-day basis, see what it's like doing day-to-day activities and what I think about this jacket. But first impression, definitely like this jacket. Like I said, I've seen a lot of reviews online about leather jackets from FiveStar. A lot of them are written reviews, but I haven't seen any photo or a lot of video reviews. That's why I'm on here making reviews for you, to show you guys what it looks like on person, what it looks like, well, as I am seeing it, as I am unboxing it. If you guys are really into reproductions of the classic vintage flight jackets, I would highly recommend checking FiveStar Leather. Let's go outside and do an on-body test to show you guys how to wear this jacket, what it looks in the day-to-day life. All right, let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed the on-body look of the A2 Dubow by FiveStar Leather. I really like it. Upon first wearing it, gotta say, the sizing is great. So if you guys want to see a follow-up video on this leather jacket, be sure to subscribe. But that's gonna be it for my unboxing and first impression of this A2 leather jacket. And I gotta say, I gotta hand it off to FiveStar Leather. I don't know how they do it, but they definitely make some really great reproduction of flight jackets at a very affordable price point. Like I said, I've seen a lot of different leather jacket companies. Either they make only a few different types of leather jacket and they price them for extremely expensive that not the average people can buy. So I really like that about FiveStar Leather. They give us a lot of different options to choose from and they make it at an affordable price point. They definitely do a great job at making classic vintage reproductions of the flight jackets at a really affordable price. So good job, gotta hand it off to you, FiveStar Leather. I'll be definitely getting more jackets from them and reviewing them. If there's any specific leather jackets you want me to check out from whatever brand or from FiveStar Leather, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first impression from FiveStar Leather with the A2 Dubow. But that's gonna be it for this unboxing and review. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!